Students, how are you all? So now let's start with our social science class. So students, in our earlier video, we have discussed about question and answers of chapter 1. So have you written the question and answer in the notebook? If you have done it, then start learning the question and answers. Students, those who are sending the homework on the school email ID, a big star for all those students. But those students who have not yet sent the homework, start sending your homework pictures on the school email ID so that I can check your homework and I can see that all those students who are studying at home are regularly sending the homework. But those students who are not studying, or if they are studying also, then they are not sending their homework. So students, please send the homework on the school email ID. And once again, a very big star for all those students who are regularly sending their homework on the school email ID. By this, today, what we will do, students? Today, we will take chapter 2, Maps, our guide. We will take chapter 2, Maps, our guides. And in this, what will be the topic we will discuss? We will discuss the topics word power. We will discuss about word power, new terms, definitions. We will take let us recall. We will do a summarization of this chapter 2 and we will also do book exercise A and B. So let's start first with word power. Yes, so we will do a word powers. Now, what is word power? Word power means a terms meaning or definition. What is the meaning or definition of particular term? The first word we will take atlas. What do you mean by atlas, students? A book of map. Scale. What do you mean by scale? Ratio between the size of map and the area shown. So what is scale? Scale is a ratio between the size of map, that what size a map is and what area we are showing on the map for particular place or distance. So what ratio we are taking for particular area on the map according to the size of map. So if we want the exact definition that what is scale? Scale is the ratio between the size of map and the area shown. Let's do a recall. Now let us see what you have learned so far. Let us recall. So, a map is a drawing of the whole or a part of the Earth's surface on a flat surface. So, what is map, students? A map is a drawing of the whole or a part of Earth's surface on a flat surface. So, we draw a part or a whole of Earth's surface on a flat surface, any flat surface. Now, a language of the map, that is colors, signs and symbols are used to show things on a map. So on a map, what is a language of map? A language of map is the colors which we are using on map, the signs and the symbols which are being used to make a map or when we are drawing a map, right? So these are the language of map, the colors, sign and symbols. A scale is used to represent the ratio between the size of the map and the actual area. So what is a scale, students? Scale is used to represent, why scale is used? Scale is used to represent The ratio between the size of the map and the actual area. So we take a size of the map and the ratio of the actual area which we want to represent on the map is called a scale. Now, signs and symbols are used on a map to show capitals, boundaries, etc. So why we use signs and symbols on the map? We use signs and symbols on the map to show capitals, boundaries, to show anything we want to show. We want to show any, distance from distance. We want to show the cities. So the signs and symbols are used. Every map has a key or legends which indicates what the color and symbol used in a map stands for. So every map has a key or legends. It has a key in which it is mentioned, it is indicated that what color is used to indicate what color is showing what thing on the map. Suppose we are taking blue color to mention to mention water bodies on the map, or we want to show the green area, the plain area, so we will use the green color to show which part of the country, or which part is the having plain area. So these type of keys are there on the map which tells what colors or what symbols are used to represent what on the map. Understood? Now we will do the book exercise, students. So the first book exercise we will do, take the correct answers. And the first question is, a book of map is called an, tell me, a book of map is called an album or atlas? What it is called? A book of map is called an atlas. The correct answer is atlas. B, atlas. Now question 2. The water bodies on the map are shown in, options are red color and B, blue color. What is the answer, students? The water bodies on the map are shown in red color or blue color? And the answer is blue color. The water bodies on the map are shown in blue colors. A map which show natural features such as rivers, mountains, etc. is called a, and the options are physical map or political map. A map which shows natural features such as rivers, mountains, plateaus, etc. is called a, tell me students what it is called, physical map or political map? And the answer is physical map. A, physical map is the answer. On the physical map only we show the natural features of a country like rivers, mountains, hills. Yes, so these are being located on physical map. Now the other question, a map without a scale is called, and the options are physical map or sketch. A map without a scale is called physical map or sketch. What it is called? And the answer is sketch. The answer is sketch. B, sketch. Now we will go to true and false. The color scheme used in the map is universal. This statement is true or false? Tell me. The color scheme used in the map is universal. True or false? The answer is true, students, because the color scheme, whatever color we are using on map, it is being used universally everywhere. We use the same colors for locating particular things, like blue color is used to show water bodies only, right? Now we will move to statement 2. And what is statement 2? A globe gives specific information. Is it true or false? A globe gives specific information. And the answer is yes, false. A globe is able to give a specific information. If we want to have a specific information, we will see the map. Yes, so a globe is not able to give us the specific information about any area or about any particular city. We have to see the map for that. There are 5 major directions. Is it true statement or false? Tell me. There are 5 major directions. So the answer is false. Why? Because there are 4 major directions. And what are the 4 major directions, students? North, south, east and west. These are the 4 major directions. Now we will move to fourth statement. A map is always drawn on a flat surface. Is it true or false? A map is always drawn on a flat surface. And the answer is true. A map is always drawn on a flat surface. Now, fifth statement. A map without a scale is called a globe. A map without a scale is called a globe. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Yes, a map without a scale is called sketch. What it is called? It is called a sketch. It is not called a globe. So this statement is false, students. Now, students, there is a homework for you all. Yes, first you will write these, take the correct answers and true and false in the notebook of chapter 2 so that you can learn it, and you will also do the homework. And this homework, what is the homework? Let's see. And the homework is read and gain. You have to read something and then you have to gain a knowledge from that. And what you have to read, students? You have to read this paragraph. Yes, you will read this activity, read and gain activity, and you will gain the knowledge about this activity. Yes, and then what you have to do? You have to write the question, take the correct answers and the true and false in the notebook. Yes, and I will also share the PDF of this PPT with you all so that you can see from the PDF and then you can write in the notebook that take the correct answers and the true and false, and you can also do the homework from the PDF file. Thank you and have a nice day, students.